So one day we plan on going away for the night and it's bloody raining. So we have just arrived in Calpe. We're staying here for the night. Unfortunately, it's raining. We have had the most amazing weather for the last few weeks, and the one night we come away, it's raining. The drive up was just awful. The rain was just mental. But we've arrived now. We've just checked into the room. We got this place on booking.com, but it's an apartment. So I'll just give you a little tour. So as you come in, you've got a bathroom here. Pretty small, but it's all we need. This is our bedroom, and this is our lovely kitchen, the lovely Ronan, and the living room. And it looks like we have quite a nice view. Yeah, I'm guessing on a nice day that would look pretty nice. Our plan is to actually hike up the mountain of Calpe. I can't remember what it's called. I'll leave the name just here. But I think we're going to attempt it even in the rain. We're going to take you with us anyway, so you can see what we get up to for the day.
So Millie's doing the bed test.
I think it's a memory foam. It's lovely. Might not end up going on that hike after all. Oh, don't do that. Felt like my ribs went up my butt. Gonna get a good sleep tonight. Ready for our activity tomorrow, which we're not telling you what we're doing tomorrow, but if you tune into my channel next week, you'll see what we get up to. We're gonna have our lunch in the room before we do our hike to give us a bit of energy, and to my regular followers, I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to guess what we're having. Tuna pasta, yeah, you're right, again. That makes us sound so boring. We don't eat it every day. We literally only eat it on like hike days or activity days because it does give us energy. But you know what? Do I explain this every time? Yes. But yeah, we've got a lovely worktop to eat it on with a bit of a view. Oh, I'm loving life. Even though the weather is beep, it makes us feel like we're on holiday. We love it, don't we?
Yeah.
We finished lunch and we're all ready for our hike, but the weather has got a lot worse. It's absolutely tipping it down. Some areas are flooding from where I can see, but we're thinking we might just drive up there. It's about a 5-minute drive, isn't it?
It actually looks like it's going to be wet all day.
Really? Oh, it's such a shame.
All good?
All good. All part of the adventure.
Yeah.
He's just like so relaxed, just with his little raincoat. I've got my umbrella and 2 jackets on. Supposed to be in bloody Spain, for God's sake. Jesus Christ! Oh. I don't think this is hiking weather at all.
I think this is a bit wet. I think we're a bit mad.
Oh my
We're going to do it anyway.
Oh, we're not even there. I can't get up there.
Do you want to just go for a walk down the marina instead? What are we thinking?
Oh my God. Broke my dog. Oh, it's putting me back. Right, how do we get up?
We're due to be going paragliding, but this is not it.
Oh my God, we're back in the car. Literally, I don't know if like wind or rain affected the GoPro somehow, but the GoPro stopped working and the whole screen went all weird. God, so we've just got back in the car. We're trying to think what to do because it's just mental out there. The weather is just awful. There's no way we'd be able to get to the top. And even if we tried, like, we're not taking that umbrella anyway. Attempt number 2. This is what we're gonna try and climb today. Absolutely huge. I don't think we'll get to the top, I'll be honest with you. We would on a better day, but the weather just doesn't seem right for it today. So the signs have actually led us all the way around the bottom. We haven't even got up yet, but it's actually really nice here. It's such a shame about the weather because there's a lovely beach here. You can barely even see those mountains over there. So I reckon even if we get up, we're not going to see too much. I guess we just follow this path and see where it leads us.
So we don't know where the hell we're going. We're literally walking around the bottom and we don't even think this is the hiking path. This is like a stroll around the bottom of the hill.
Yeah, because that looks like a vertical hike.
Yeah.
And the bloody signs didn't lead us up there. We might just continue on this path. See where we get. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm still having a great time though. It's still beautiful. This makes things worse, but I need the toilet. I think even if I peed my pants at this point, you wouldn't even notice.
I'd notice.
The route that we were following has ended. There's a path there where you're not allowed to cross, but we've had to cross it because we're sitting in this little cave kind of area now, away from the rain for a little bit. There's a sign over there saying that humans actually can't get any higher from this route, that there's loads of species of birds up there and they go up there to protect themselves from like foxes and stuff on the land. It says that on the sign. We can't really see much of a view here. It's so misty, but I'm having such a nice time. Like, we're not used to this kind of weather at all. It's usually scorching hot when we hike and I'm loving it. I really am. Like, it's really relaxing, but that might be because we're not going vertical at all. Yeah, we kind of took the wrong route, but I'm gutted because we only got one day here in Calpe, but we will definitely be back to do this hike because it's been on my list for a while. I probably should have researched it a bit more to find out where the route starts, but oh well. I think the rain's lightened a little bit, so we're gonna head back. Just as we thought the rain had died down, it's got so much worse. We're undercover, like at this little notice board thing, and these trousers are supposed to be waterproof, but they're not. Our legs are both soaking wet. The water has gone through and it's dripping down my legs. So I think we might have to just go back to the room, warm up, dry off a bit. To be honest, I haven't laughed this much in so long. Oh my god, I feel like a drowned rat. Oh, I just wish I could be in the room right now. Whoa, that actually worked. Yeah, we're back in the room and we're all dry. I've got my pajama bottoms on, got a nice cup of tea. We've got a tea cake each. Just gonna chill out for a bit in the nice, warm, dry room. It's still raining, but it hasn't dampened our mood. We're coming out for dinner. We've just drove past a lovely looking restaurant, so we're going to go and check it out. It's done really beautiful in here. It actually reminds me of a local bar near us called Bushwhacker. It's got a very similar theme. It looks really nice and the menu looks like there's loads to choose from and it looks reasonable price. So we've just finished dinner and it's still raining when we came out, but dinner was lovely. Ronan had like a vegetable burrito thing.
It was nice, it was good.
Yeah, and I had like chicken wings and these chips with like crunchy bacon, crunchy onions on top. So it was really nice actually.
Much for being vegetarian for a while anyway.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you can't always be vegetarian when you're a traveller because like yeah, if you want to try different foods, can't be vegetarian. But we're just going to head back to the room as we've got a really, really early start tomorrow. I can't wait to show you what we're up to. Make sure to tune in next week to see what we get up to. But we're just going to go back to the room. But even walking around Calpe, even though it's raining, it just seems beautiful, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
We can't wait to come back eventually when it's sunny and do the hike that we were planning on doing today.
Yeah, we'll get there.
So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching a rainy day in Calpe. We've certainly enjoyed it, but thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. You know the rest. See you next week.